to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia. Happy New Year. Let's start the new year off with a healthy soup. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot. Ginger, chicken, and rice soup with zucchini. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. Chicken stock, zucchini, chopped ginger, minced garlic. This is the ginger. Salt and pepper, turmeric, dried parsley, bay leaf, water, brown rice, and of course the chicken. Let's get to making the soup. I have a stock pot here. I'm turning it on medium high. And we're going to add some oil to the pot. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now, to this, we're going to add the ginger, the turmeric, and the garlic. We're going to saute this up for about 30 seconds. This is a very quick and easy soup to make. Now, this is what we're going to do with the chicken. Pour any excess water off it. And then we're going to add the salt and peppers to the chicken. And we're going to massage it through. Then we're going to cover it up and let it set to the side. Now, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. We're going to add the chicken stock, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We're going to add water. We're going to add the bay leaf. And we're going to add the chicken. And now the rice. We're going to stir this up and let it cook for 20 minutes. Let's check the soup. Yes, it's bubbling up. Now we got to stir it. Occasionally you have to give it a little stir. Now the next thing is we're going to add a little black pepper and salt. And then I'm going to add some dried parsley. You can use fresh parsley if you like, or cilantro. And now we're going to add the zucchini. Give it a little stir. And we're going to cover this up and let it cook for half an hour. Now let's move on to the final step. We're going to take a chicken thigh and we're going to take 2 forks and we're going to shred it up. We shred all the chicken up, then we put it back in the pot and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Here you have it, ginger chicken and rice soup with zucchini. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.